Tribe Carnival Care Agent.
And I'm the Rogue Carnival Care Agent.
So we are in charge of registering any masquerader that walks through the door, controlling the distribution center, which is basically the distributing of all costumes, answering phones on a daily basis, emails, daily walk-ins, anything to do with the customer, we handle.
Usually, especially if it's the beginning of the season when band launch has just happened, it's really busy because it's just like everybody is, they want to register, they're really interested in the costumes that they saw on the stage, they're wondering when is the website, going to be out with the prices, how much the costumes are going to be throughout the year, it has its ups and its downs.
The most challenging thing for me is telling customers, no, we don't have a costume available.
And even when it is that we say, the costumes are sold out, we still try to get all in.
I think women love the freedom. On the road, you're not judged. You could be any type of lady. Nobody's gonna judge you because everybody is just free.
I see that women aren't just, portrayed as a figure, but they're also portrayed as a creator.
Monday wear, makeup, hairdressers, nail tech, it's predominantly women. And I think they contribute a lot to Carnival, other than wearing the costumes on the road. The Tribe brand is, I think,
women.
Mainly women. So in every department is a woman. Events, carnival fats. In production, women. Accounts, it's only women. The Tribe is majority woman based. I love the job, but it's very stressful, especially at this period where we have long hours. It is a lot of stress, but we love it.